As we move into a time of meditation, we're going to start by finding our sacred space. Adjust yourself so as to be comfortable and supported in your seat, feeling grounded and relaxed. Feel your feet on the floor, your body supported by the surface beneath you and in back of you. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath, allowing the air to center and ground you. Exhale fully, releasing any lingering tension or worries that may try to keep you from focusing on the here and now. For all we have is this present moment. We breathe with oneness. As you inhale deeply, imagine the universal breath flowing through your entire being. As you exhale, feel your spirit expand, merging with the infinite flow of creation. Repeating silently, I feel the one breath breathe through my entire being. And we open now to the divine presence of God. I ask you to visualize a golden light entering into your heart space, with every inhale representing divine love and wisdom. Allowing that light to fill your body, infusing every cell with warmth and grace. Affirming silently, I surrender to your boundless presence. I allow the divine grace of everlasting light to enter into my field. And now I ask you to join me in connecting with Gaia. Feel the energy of Gaia, Mother Earth, beneath you. Rivers, mountains, and forests flowing in complete harmony. Allow the beauty of nature to fill you, filling your heart with gratitude and peace. Silently affirm, I align with Gaia's rhythms. I synchronize with her cycles of harmony and flow. And now we set an intention. Bring your awareness to your heart center again, reflecting on what you wish to cultivate today. Silently and as one, we set that intention and we affirm together, I call upon the eternal light within me to bring peace, grace, and ease into my life. I am open to the wonder of miracles and the abundance of all needs met, flowing to me and through me. And now, as we express gratitude, we take a moment to reflect on the blessings of our lives, both seen and unseen. See them, feel them, and silently affirm, thank you for the miracle of today. I offer my gratitude to all life, for life. And now we radiate that light to others. Visualize your light expanding outward, touching all beings with love and blessings. Visualize this sanctuary filled with souls in need of love, peace, and the joy that living in community with like-minded seekers brings us. Hold them in your heart and guide them here with your love. The light of unity of Tulsa-Midtown shining outward, an invitation to a place of peace. Send peace and joy to those in need, affirming, may all beings be blessed. And now, as we return to the presence, gently bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Taking a grounding breath, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and gently allow your eyes to open or soften your gaze. Carry the energy of connection and gratitude into this sacred space and the days ahead. And so it is.